Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be unboxing my new purchase of keyboard, a Bluetooth keyboard, which will I going to interface to my laptop, to this one. First, we will going to unbox it. Okay, so this is the item. I ordered this one from Shopee, from Steve Kyle Marketing. Okay. Nakakuha ko lang siya around less than 300 pesos during the 9/9 event ng Shopee. Simulan na natin buksan. Okay, so para makita na natin, excited na rin akong gamitin to. So afterwards, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking DIY na laptop stand, wooden laptop stand na ginawa ko in preparation bago dumating tong item, kasi syempre pag meron ka ng Bluetooth na keyboard, syempre kailangan meron ka ring space. So I intended to create one DIY. So bago tumagal ang ating unboxing, i-unbox na natin to. Okay, so let's start it now. So bali yung kanyang packaging is okay. Okay. Ganda yung packaging niya. Okay. Makikita natin na meron siyang bubble wrap sa loob. May makakapa mo na kaagad pala na meron siyang bubble wrap sa loob. Okay. Then tirain na natin to. Okay. So there you are. Okay. Yan na yung keyboard natin na bago. Okay. So number 1, tingnan natin, naka-bubble wrap siya. Okay. Although naka-bubble wrap siya, meron tayong makikitang mga dent dun sa karton. Alam niyo naman, pagka galing dyan, huwag naman sanang sira lang yung loob. But shout out kay Steve Kyle Marketing. Okay. Thank you for the fast delivery. Then open na natin siya. Check natin. So, tingnan muna. Hindi natin ay disinfect muna natin siya. Actually, pagka-deliver kanina, na-disinfect ko na rin yung plastic. So, ngayon, siyempre, para hindi natin alam kung ano yung nasa labas eh. So, yan. So, lagyan na natin siya ng alcohol. Then, sirain na natin yung box. So, ito. Sirain na natin yung plastic nito. Okay. Now, makikita natin merong dent. Makikita natin merong dent yung box. Okay. Okay. So, ito yung wireless keyboard. Ang sabi niya rito is this is operating voltage is 3.0 volt. Pagkatapos yung kanyang operating current 4 milliampere, RF output power class 2, I don't know. Then operating distance is up to 10 meters daw. Okay. So let us check. Input impedance is 50 ohms. Okay. So wireless keyboard. Ganun lang kasimple yung ano niya, box niya. The same as ito rin yung pinapakita niya dun sa mismong Shopee site niya. Okay? Wireless keyboard. Okay? Ang in-order ko is black. Okay? In-order ko is black. Check natin kung black yung nasa loob. Okay? So, paano natin to i-open? Nasa ng opening? Okay, this one. Here it is. Okay. So, I think okay, it is a black one. Okay, it is a black one. Okay, nice keyboard. So partner siya nung ano ko, magiging partner siya ng laptop ko. Mamaya papakita natin. Okay, so this is the keyboard. Okay, so it's around This one is around 28.5 centimeter. It's 11. It's 11 inches. 11 point something. 11.2 something inches. Okay. And ang height niya is around 4.5. Okay, 4.5 inches or 12 centimeter. Okay. This is the keyboard. Okay. Very nice. Nice. Okay. Very soft yung touch niya. But I don't know if this will work on my laptop. Okay. But the keyboard is soft. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Check natin mamaya. Okay. Kukonect ko muna siya. And babalikan ko kayo. Check ko muna. Tingnan natin sa loob. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung may kasamang battery. Hirap buksan. Ano ba to? Yun. So, walang battery. So, kailangan dito as I understand, ang kasama niya kasi is manual lang. Okay, user manual. So, nakalagay doon, pagka titingnan niyo yung manual niya, okay, nakalagay dito is, ito. Connect. Okay. Connect, switch, tapos micro USB. Tingnan natin kung merong micro USB. Nasaan yung micro USB? I don't think nasaan yung micro USB. Nawawala yung micro USB. Okay, there is no micro USB akong nakikita. Okay. Ang sabi niya rito is merong micro USB sa likod. Okay, somewhere here. Sabi niya is meron siya somewhere here, micro USB. No micro USB. Based on the manual, meron, pero sa actual, walang micro USB. Okay? So, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-connect o hindi siya rechargeable kasi walang micro USB. I don't know if meron dito mga nakatago sa likod. But as of now, wala ako nakikita. Okay? And then, ang sabi niya is low voltage indicator, connection indicator. So, meron daw ditong low voltage indicator. Okay. So, meron siya ito. Meron siyang low voltage indicator. And, makikita natin dito sa kanyang, sa kanyang keyboard mismo. It is, I think, compatibility with Apple, Android, and Windows. So, itong Bluetooth na to is wala siyang kasamang dongle key. Okay. So, you can connect this one to your Android, to your Apple, or to your laptop, okay, to your Windows computer, okay. Starting Bluetooth keyboard for Mac system, switch, ayan, open acting page. So gagawin na lang natin ito mamaya, okay, hindi ko nababasahin buo para hindi tumagal. When the device Bluetooth keyboard showed, and then blah blah blah, starting Bluetooth keyboard for Windows. So dito tayo magko-concentrate mamaya. Okay, and then when the screen shows connecting successfully, the LED will put out. Okay, so start connection, Windows XP, Windows 2000, start control panel, all device, Windows 7 Vista, your PC will search Bluetooth device by itself. Okay, I'm using Windows 10. So I don't know if this one will work on Windows 10 kasi ang nakalagay lang dito is Windows 7 and Vista. I hope gagana siya. Otherwise, gawa natin ng paraan. Tingnan natin kung anong pwedeng manggawa. So, that's it for now. Papakita ko na lang mamaya yung aking setup with this Bluetooth keyboard. Okay. Again, shout out to seller natin sa Shopee. And also to, this is not a promo. Binili ko kasi ito. So, hindi to promo. Although, I'm happy with this one for now. I'm happy with this one. Okay, so thank you for Steve Kyle Marketing. Job well done. Thank you very much. And this is it. It's okay. Affordable. Although, siguro, I don't know kung this one will last, but nasa gumagamit naman yan. Okay? So, Thank you very much, Shopee and Steve Kyle. Thank you very much.